Celigo Automation Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume business automation is complex and expensive, but Celigo simplifies integration and workflow automation across multiple apps. Celigo is an integration platform as a service that connects cloud applications like NetSuite, Salesforce, Shopify, and more. One standout feature is its pre-built integrator.io templates, which allow businesses to automate workflows without extensive coding knowledge. For example, you can automatically sync orders from Shopify to NetSuite or update CRM records in Salesforce. Most people think automation is only for large enterprises. The surprising truth is Celigo scales for small and medium businesses, providing affordable, efficient solutions to reduce manual tasks and errors. The platform includes monitoring tools to track workflows, alerting you when issues occur. Another advantage is flexibility. You can customize integrations and create complex workflows across multiple apps. Celigo also supports both scheduled and real-time data transfers, which enhances efficiency. However, there are some considerations. Initial setup may require some technical knowledge, and advanced customizations can require developer support. Subscription pricing varies depending on the number of integrations and data volume. In conclusion, Celigo Automation is an excellent tool for businesses seeking to streamline operations, reduce errors, and integrate multiple cloud applications. Its templates, flexibility, and monitoring tools make it a valuable choice for efficient workflow automation. Subscribe for more honest automation and business integration reviews before choosing your next platform.